Howdy folks, so that was sunrise over Dhampus. Not too bad. I'm very glad I made the effort to get up. I set my alarm, nearly turned it off, went back to bed, so glad I got up. Anyway, it's a beautiful morning here this morning, so let's go have a look around this place.
City lights in the night so bright, city nights with the lights so bright, they just don't feel right. Trapped here in the city lights in the night so bright, city nights with the lights so bright, they just don't feel right. Trapped here in the city lights, trapped in the city of a million strangers. So many seem to have familiar faces. I feel their gaze as I pass their way, trying to read the emotion on their minds today.
So yesterday when I was coming up with the bike, the little guys that stopped and had a ride told me there'd been a little landslide somewhere. I wasn't quite sure what they were talking about, but yeah, I seem to have found it this morning. So this is like the main walking track along the side of the village, and yeah, a bit of rain or something and she's just started to slide away, so I might just walk a bit further over this way. Must be an interesting existence up in these places.
Neon lights hide everything but the blank stare. They keep them off so we can't see what's really there. Cause if we see, then we just might start to care. And if we care, then they just might have to share. Street lights bright, but they hide the truth. They draw our eyes to the light while the dark consumes. We sit and dull our mind in those darkened rooms and encourage one another to a faster doom. Ingest that poison to ease the plight, helps condition our minds to believe the hype. But for just one night, I'd like to see the world in the moonlight. Living in the city, I'm falling and I can't turn back. Living in the city, I'm falling and I can't turn back. Living in the city, I'm falling living in the city.
Alright, so that was a little glimpse of Dhampus. Now the mountain range you've seen in the background is the world famous Annapurna mountain range. Very, very popular for trekking. I've met a number of people who've come back from there or going there. That one there is Fishtail, and I'm not sure what the other ones are, but it's pretty spectacular. Not a bad backdrop. So yeah, beautiful little village here, Dhampus, tranquil, serene. It's just been, yeah, wonderful going for a little walk. Very relaxing here last night, away from the sort of hustle and bustle of Lakeside in Pokhara, but with that said, got to get back. So yeah, time to pack, jump back on the bike and make my way back to Pokhara. Alright. Bags packed, bike's primed, paid up, all ready to go. So yesterday I rode up the main road to Dhampus. I have been told there's sort of a back way. You can kind of ride along the ridge of these mountains and then back down through another small village about, I don't know, 5-10 k's closer to Pokhara. I asked a few of the guides that were here last night about it. They didn't, I don't know if they just didn't understand what I was asking, but they didn't really seem to know about it, but I'm going to give it a go anyway because, yeah, why not? So yeah, wish me luck. Alright, so that's the main road there that I came up yesterday, and this is what I think is that other road that goes along the ridge line, so let's have a go. This isn't the road that that I thought I was on, but I just asked a local gentleman. He said I can get to Pokhara this way. It's possible, so I don't know, I'll keep going. So I've come to a bit of a crossroads. I can go this way or this way. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm fairly certain Pokhara is this sort of direction, so I think we'll head this way and see how we go. It does unfortunately look like I'm going to start going up again, but can't win them all, I suppose. You can hang on. Yeah. Leg over there, yep. Can you get your feet on the pedals? Whee! Straighten her up a bit. Alright, someone else's turn. Alright, so I was just cycling along and this lovely old Nepalese man has invited me for tea, so I'm going to go and have some tea.
Very small.
Yeah.
In Nepal and first time?
Yes, first time for me.
Yeah, first time.
So,
From India?
yeah.
You cycling?
No, in auto rickshaw.
At the rickshaw?
Rickshaw, yeah, in India.
No guide, no portal?
No, not today.
Not today.
No. So yeah. This is on video, so you're making a video.
Yeah, video, yeah.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, simple like that. Yeah, milk.
Yeah.
नजिक देखिनु चाहिँ के हिमाल देखिँदैन चाहिँ Yes.
My buffalo milk.
Yeah, buffalo milk, yes.
Very good. Thank you very much, sir. Very nice.
Very nice,
Yes.
yes.
Lovely to meet you too.
Like this. You Nepali girls that met you talking. You
Yeah.
come here.
Yeah, I will. Sounds good. Thank you very much. It was lovely. I'll see you later.
Yeah, see.
See ya. That was a lovely little rest. Instead of a tea, I ended up with a glass of buffalo milk. It's very nice, good to make you strong, I was told. Yeah, the old man there was the father. He's been there for 91 years, and the gentleman I was talking to was 60 years old, and he'd been born there and raised there. And they raise goats and buffalo, grow rice. Yeah, seems like a lovely existence. He says he's going to sort me out with a Nepalese wife, so I'll have to come back and see him. But on to Pokhara. I'm just cycling through the countryside of Nepal, and a lot of people I've met, nearly everyone I've met when I say I'm from Australia, they talk about sort of the relationship between Nepal and Australia, how there are a lot of Nepalese in Australia studying, living. Nearly everyone knows someone who's in Australia or even from Australia, and I just came across this sign. So yeah, somewhere up that hill, I think it's a school, and some of the donations, or the donation must have come from a high school in Australia, so that's awesome, makes me feel pretty good actually. Good work. Jinjin District High School.
Pokhara?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Wow, that was amazing. All that climbing I did yesterday, I just got to come straight down on that awesome dirt road, those amazing views, barely any traffic, just awesome. I think I'm now in a little village not too far from Pokhara, so I think it's pretty much just plain sailing from here. You get down, hit the highway, then just head back to Pokhara. It shouldn't be too hard. I can't see any mountains between here and there, so it should be alright.
One apple.
One apple? Yeah, one apple. How much?
30.
30? No worries, man. Thank you, my friend. Maybe this one. Thank you.
Hey man, how you doing? Good, very good. Yeah, really good. Yesterday was difficult, but it was good.
And we're back where it all began. The Pokhara Mountain Bike Centre about 9 o'clock yesterday morning. It was really awesome, really good ride. Yesterday was tough. Those two climbs really took it out of me. But today was brilliant, just rolling down the hill, that beautiful countryside. Yeah, no, I'm very, very glad I decided to step outside my comfort zone a bit and jump back on a bike. Yeah, I'll go in, fix them up. I'm gonna go and find something to eat. Just relax for the rest of the afternoon, chill out tomorrow because I've got another pretty exciting adventure planned for the weekend, but I'll tell you about it then. Alright guys, take care. Until next time. Ciao.
Face in the mirror, trying to focus to see it. Check the time on my phone. I can't read, it's either 4 or 5. It wouldn't make a difference, she said stay home tonight, babe. But I never listen, I convince myself that I'm stable, that I can be trusted, not to that I'm willing and able to make the choice and take control and keep on the straight and path. I can be home.